Okay, ji, Assalamu alaikum. So today we will look upon कि जी how will we conduct business की workshop. It's going to be a brief workshop, ठीक है? But we look at the things that we'll cover in business की workshop. So yeah. Okay. So let's start off with the first thing. The first thing is basically past exam papers, both paper one and paper two. Generally, I would like to tell you, Kaji, what is a threshold for an A in paper one? Mostly 49 on 80, and this is 45 on 80. That's a threshold for A. Or A star का last year threshold था combined 106 out of 160. Right? ओके सो हमने पेपर वन जो देखना है उसमें हमने पेपर वन इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट से देखना है कि व्हाई इज इट दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट एंड अप स्कोरिंग 49 ऑन 80 एंड 45 ऑन 80. व्हाट आर द रीजंस? ठीक है, ऑल्दो यू ऑल नो द कंटेंट फॉर बिजनेस इज वेरी इजी, बट ये अचीव क्यों नहीं होता? सो बेसिकली हमने एग्जाम सॉल्विंग टेक्निक्स एंड टिप्स पे काम करना है. ठीक है, टेक्निक्स के अंदर द एग्जाम इज डिवाइडेड बिटवीन नॉलेज, एप्लीकेशन, एनालिसिस एंड इवैल्यूएशन. सो पेपर वन में 42 मार्क्स नॉलेज के होते हैं, 14 मार्क्स एप्लीकेशन के, 16 एनालिसिस के एंड 18 इवैल्यूएशन के. टोटल दिस इज 80 मार्क्स. सो आप मुझे एक बात बताएं, 42 basic content knowledge, which is like advantages, disadvantages, definitions. So आप सोचें कि 49 on 80 पे A बन जाता है जिसमें 42 मार्क्स नॉलेज के, फिर भी अचीव नहीं. ठीक है, why? This is what we're going to look upon during the course of workshop. Okay, and paper 2 पे तो भाई there is a stigma. Level 1 answer, level 2 answer, level 3 answer. That is all, detail that we will cover within the workshop. So the first content of our workshop is basically past papers. Second content of our workshop will be few topics which I think के यार ये topics ऐसे हैं based on my experience उसमें students problem करते हैं. The first is break even analysis. Now इसकी calculations में थोड़े से मसले होते हैं, इसके जो limitations में ग्राफिक जिसके ग्राफ्स आते हैं उसकी उसकी एनालिसिस में थोड़े से लोगों को मसले होते हैं. तो वी विल लुक अपॉन ब्रेक इवन एनालिसिस. नंबर 2, इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ रेशियो एनालिसिस. Calculating ratios might not be difficult, but analyzing them through the business context is basically a problem which I generally feel students have. Number 3, pay the application of motivation theories, right? Application of motivation theories. So basically कि जो भी motivation theories हैं वो किस तरह केस पे अप्लाई होती हैं, that matters a lot. Okay, and there could be, like, we will see along the course if there is any other topic जो कि हमें discuss करना चाहिए. We look upon that. So that is the second part of the workshop. Now, the USP of this workshop and the most important part of this workshop would be past exam marked scripts. What are these? Basically, last year, Examiner, the Cambridge International, they have actually started to issue scripts for students, mark script from students. So these mark scripts will get us the insight upon like where is the examiner like uh, cutting marks और कहाँ पे वो lenient है कि हम उसको किस तरह manage कर सकते हैं. तो basically review of these scripts will help us analyze कि हाँ जी कहाँ कहाँ हमें leniency मिल जाती है, कहाँ कहाँ हमारे marks deduct होते हैं. So this is something that is, you know, by far uh, could be like the most helpful tool for us to excel in our business exam. So reviewing these scripts would mean कि जी हमें पता चल जाएगा ओके जी अगर हम अपना आंसर ऐसे डिजाइन करते हैं तो एग्जामिनर हमें कहाँ कहाँ पेनलाइज कर सकता है, राइट. So this is the most important aspect of the workshop, right? Okay, so what again? So we will be doing like these three things. First, we'll start off with past exam papers. Paper one first, we'll do a couple of paper ones. Uske alawa, then we'll go to paper two. We will do some topics like I've just mentioned three, but during the course, if you would like to add a couple of more to it, we can do that. And this is the most important aspect of the workshop, right? So, yeah. So, yeah, that's it. And see you in my class then.